In this tutorial, I will teach you how to change the sky in Photoshop. Let's get started. First, open the photo that you would like to edit in Photoshop. Make sure that the image that you would like to edit doesn't have anything that reflects the sky, like mirror or water, as it would need a separate editing step once you've replaced the sky. Now, in the menu bar, click Edit and select Sky Replacement. A new panel would appear, and here, you can choose among the provided sky replacements in the drop-down menu. You can also adjust the shift edge to a slider, which blends the edges of the sky to the subject. You can also adjust the fade charge, brightness, temperature, and scale in its respective slider. You can play around with the settings to your preference. And once you're satisfied, you can now save it to your computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell so that you can be updated whenever we upload new tutorials.